Okay, so we're back on our assignments page. Your writing exercises are found near the bottom of the page. We'll have one almost every week. They're always going to be due on Friday. You're going to want to click on the link to open the Word document, and I already have it open, so I'm just going to do that. And the instructions will be provided. Read them over. You can type right in here. Maybe use your name to create a dividing line between the exercise and your text. Type your paragraphs. Obviously, take your time to do it well. You'll want to proofread and edit before you turn it in. This is the grading criteria. Is it organized and focused on the main idea? Does it meet the requirements listed up here? And is it developed with adequate detail, evidence, or other support? And finally, is it readable? Is it full of errors in syntax, grammar, mechanics, word choice, or use of language? If there are a lot of errors in those things, your writing exercise might be hard to read, or if it's not developed enough. And development is probably the single most important thing. You need a good structure as well, but getting the content is what it's all about when you're writing. You need to figure out what you want to say, present it in a way that makes sense to your reader, and then give some thoughtful analysis or some examples or specifics. Specific nouns and verbs make your writing the best. Saying something like, yes, I wrote a research paper in high school, that's like a general statement that tells me a little something but not a lot. So you want to develop that idea and say, I wrote a 10-page research paper in high school. We picked our own topics. Mine was global warming, and we used MLA format. I researched by reading 2 books and 3 journal articles. I also watched a documentary, all of which I cited in my paper using MLA format. So that's what I mean by being specific. And obviously, if you're going to be organized, maybe you might start by talking about the writing process, develop that idea fully, maybe then talk about whether you like writing, develop that idea fully, then talk about the research paper. Okay, so when you're ready, you'll save your file and upload it to Turnitin. So to upload, you click on this second link with that icon there. When you enter Turnitin for the first time, you have to agree. You're agreeing to post your work to their database. Then you come to this page and you click on Submit. You're going to want to give it a title that makes sense. So, writing exercise 1. Then you can use Dropbox or Google Drive or your own computer. I've already made some folders. Here I've got the class, the semester. My writing exercises are in one folder, and I've called my first one writing exercise 1 with my last name. This way next week I'll have writing exercise 2, and also from my point of view as the teacher, it's good if your work has your name on it and the name of what assignment it is. This way, if I'm looking for it in my files, I can know exactly what it is. So you hit the upload button. It takes a little bit. Then you can see your file. You can confirm that you've uploaded. And I only wrote a few sentences, a few words, but you will want to write full paragraphs. So you'll get a receipt when you upload. If you don't get this far, then something went wrong. And here we go. And we can just follow the breadcrumbs to get back to where we were. Okay, so that is uploading to Turnitin.